This is Hongniu Laser. Hongniu Laser was founded in 2012 and is located in Jinan, Shandong Province. Starting from plasma, it has been deeply involved in the field of metal processing for many years. The factory covers an area of 70,000 square meters, with 5 production workshops and a total of over 500 employees. Hongniu Laser exports to over 80 countries and regions, with a total export value of over $50 million in 2024. Hongniu Laser provides customized services to professional suppliers in various countries and regions. Our main products include fiber laser cutting machine, including single platform fiber laser cutting machine, integrated design. 140HQ container can accommodate 8 machines 3015L. Exchange platform laser cutting machine closed design ensures operational safety. Dual platforms accelerate work efficiency. Gantry rail, laser cutting machine customized sable dosimeter and 24-meter. Large format processing to meet various processing needs of customers. Single chuck laser tube cutting machine, specializing in cutting thin and light tubes, short parts. 2 chucks laser tube cutting machine, wide processing range, capable of processing large pipe materials. 3 chuck laser tube cutting machine, 3 chuck machining, with a movable middle chuck that can achieve 0 tailings for chuck laser tube cutting machine. Flexible handling of complex loading and unloading actions for heavy and long pipes. We also have plate tube integrated machine, 1 machine dual use, capable of processing sheet and pipe materials. 4-in-1 laser cutting machine for section steel, flat surface, groove, and pipe. 1 machine for multiple purposes, capable of cutting plates, pipes, steel sections, bevel cutting, etc. Realize the selection of pipe bevel processing, integrating flat straight cutting processing and flat groove processing, providing users with multiple solutions. Full automatic sheet metal loading and unloading system for laser cutting machine, fully automated production line, supporting material warehouse, improving work efficiency and reducing labor costs. Automatic coil-fed fiber laser cutting machine, the automatic uncoiling production line, integrates uncoiling, leveling, cutting, and coiling, greatly improving work efficiency and reducing labor costs. 4-in-1 laser welding machine capable of welding, weld, cleaning, cutting, and cleaning functions. Desktop machine capable of welding, cutting, carving, and cleaning functions. CNC bending machine, electro-hydraulic servo CNC bending machine, realizing full automation of metal processing. 3D laser cutting robot, it can process any curve and specific curves in 3-dimensional space, with convenient operation and high level of intelligence. At present, the highest power of the sold equipment is 60 kilowatts, and over 500 units of 10,000 watt level equipment have been delivered. The annual export quantity of pipe cutting machines exceeds 200 units.